Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've been on the trails, but I thought I'd get a little walk in and take Charlie along with me and bring you guys along. So anyway, I'm getting started back, trying to get back in a habit. So if you hadn't started and you want to get started, let's do it together. Sounds like a plan, right? Whoop, Charlie's dancing around with me with the little leash. So hang on, let me turn it around and I'll let you guys see her. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. She's only been out on the trails maybe 3 times so far, so it's always fun. I haven't been back here in a little bit, so we may walk through some spider webs together. Looks like Charlie's gonna lead the way. I know we never had Dutch on a leash, but just until we, you know, she knows to kind of stay with me. At least I kind of wanted her on a leash. There's the food plot. I guess that's the direction she wanted to go. Ooh, the greenery is pretty. We've had some rain over the last couple of days, so we have some water. Of course, she's going to go straight to it. Oh, and here we go. So what have all you been up to lately? We've had a busy weekend ourselves. I'm sure you all saw the prom pictures. So what you think, Charlie? Let me see if I can get her to look at us. Hi. Well, hello. What you think? Charlie girl. Charlie Kate. What is it? I was gonna let you see that she loves to play. Well, she's done got her own stick. I was gonna give her a stick. She's like, nope, I want my own. Come here, Charlie, look. Hey, come here. What you got there? Look, you got a big one. Look. Charlie, see it? See it? Look. See it? See it? Release that one. Here, look, I got a big one. You want one with all the little thingies on it? Here, look, see it? See it? I promise you she knows how to see it. Okay, look. There we go. See it? Ready? See it? Good girl. Go get it. She loves to play fetch. All right, you can hold it and come on. See if I can grab a couple of pictures out here. I bet they'll be pretty. I had to make a funny sound to get her to look at the camera. She was so intrigued with everything. She's like in play heaven right now. Come on. Oh, you done found another stick to swap it out. There's you a big one if you want to try to get it. Come on. Charlie, we're getting to our tree. I see it. The first time I brought her out here on the trail, I didn't do a video because I was so emotional. Because the last time was with Dutch with me, but as soon as we got to where we saw our tree, Miss Charlie girl leaned over and licked my chin right then. It was the sweetest. So the first time we brought, I brought Charlie out here on the trails with me. She was a baby, like I carried her the whole way. She was only 8 weeks old, so I carried her the whole way thinking she wouldn't be able to walk at all. And we got to the tree and she leaned up and she licked my little chin right here as soon as we got to the tree. And it was just, I don't know. I thought it was sweet since that was my special tree. And anyway, so I know she's going to enjoy these trails with me. She is definitely going to enjoy them. And hopefully you guys will too. It feels so good to be out here, and it's nice and breezy and cool. It's not hot and it's not cold, and that's good because I am very comfortable. Let me turn it around where you can see her. It won't be no time and she'll be staying right beside me without the leash. But I didn't really want to risk it. I had a story written. If you are a new follower, you can go back and look at the tree, the picture of the tree across the path there. And I wrote a little story about it. I don't remember what month it would have been, but it would have been probably 6-7 months ago. That story I was talking about was sometime between us starting our page in May of 22 and the end of 2022. So I'm not sure, but the picture of it is a fallen tree across the path. So you can go back and read it if you hadn't. I thought it was a good little story. But what have y'all got going on this week? Anything interesting? Any exciting anything? Any grandkids doing anything? Any children involved with activities? As far as I know, we have nothing for just a little bit anyway, I don't think. See behind me back there so you can see the trail still. But I'm just excited. The daylight savings time, changed, and I have more daylight now when I get off work, and it's just nice. It's real nice. And Charlie's gonna love it. Well, all right, I just wanted to hop on and say hi to everyone. We haven't done it in a while, so maybe we can make some more trail videos soon. Y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. See you later.